Hey everyone, Judah Bryan. Here's a workout summary for March the 8th. It's a little bit after the date, I'm well aware. I just had some technical difficulties. As far as progression, I think right now getting to a point where I'm not lowering the weights from week to week, from month to month, able to stay at a consistent number for the lift, that's something to give me a sense of accomplishment at the moment. So if I'm not dropping weight because it feels heavy, it fluctuates from week to week, and that's a good thing. Short of actually increasing in a linear fashion, I guess not going backwards is the best I can hope for. One thing that actually feels like it's helping is just gaining body weight. Just when I'm heavier, I can lift more. Yeah, it's kind of obvious. No. It's just a matter of proportional lift strength to what I'm weighing, especially with bench press. I think I'm weighing like 160 to 165 pounds, but when I was weighing maybe 150 pounds, doing bench press of 135 pounds, it would have felt really heavy, as would 185 pounds when I was doing squats. But being able to put up those numbers again and again each time I revisit the big three lifts, that's something to feel good about, provide a sense of accomplishment. And I think I was even able to add 5 pounds on each side. So I think the total is 145 pounds for bench press, sets of 5. As with squats, it was sets of 5. I don't know what it is about this number in particular. I think I just feels it like it's the sweet spot. So maybe 3 reps or 2 reps is like too little, even though I may try to do like a really heavy lift, but 3 and 2 reps is maybe too little. Whereas 5 feels right in the sweet spot for strength training, lifting more numbers, lifting higher numbers, but also for hypertrophy, muscle gain, that sort of thing. Any more than 5 reps, maybe it would be for endurance, a little bit cardiovascular involvement because it's heart's racing. But when I do dumbbell exercises, that's how it is. More repetitions, and it feels like my heart's always racing at each set is done. I can't decide right now whether to do conventional or sumo deadlift. It just depends on how my lower back feels. When the lower back is aching, I'd do more sumo than conventional, but I had mixed feelings, so I did like 2 sets of sumo deadlift, 235 pounds, and then switched to conventional deadlift to using 225 pounds, 2 plates on each side. It was a long way back to getting just to these numbers. In my history, yeah, I've been able to do these numbers, but there was a stretch when I wasn't doing a lot of big three lifts, and as a result, everything just felt heavier when I tried to reintroduce the big three lifts. It's kind of nice to do hanging leg raises and have clearance at the ground level. When I'm at my home and I use a pull-up bar in a door frame, I always have to like scrape the floor with my feet. So what I do is I do like a half pull-up and hold that position, and then I can do the hanging leg raises while doing a half pull-up. Gives my feet clearance off the ground so I don't brush against it. Likewise, I can do pull-ups at home, but I don't know, I guess I felt like doing it here. It kind of decompresses the spine after deadlifts. And that's pretty much it for the workout training summary.